up YouTube? I'm Chris, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this awesome kayak setup I have here. You've seen my previous videos on my trolling motor setup and this Pelican Icon 100. This is a 10-foot kayak, and I actually have the stern customized with the metal plate. I'm going to go over my whole setup. The main thing I'm going to be talking about today is this awesome dolly setup I have for this kayak. So I can actually wheel this thing around once I load everything up. So as you can see here, I can just move this around very easily, back and forth, and whenever I want to turn, I just move side to side. But I'm going to go over how I have this set up here, and we'll start with this back part here. So what I did was, I actually mounted some PVC to where I can dismount this thing and pull it off just like that. And I'll bring it over here to you so you can see it. It's actually really lightweight. I would say it probably weighs maybe about 5 pounds, really lightweight. But I'm looking to upgrade the wheels. This is actually a 7-inch wheel. Show you really quick. So this is a 7-inch wheel with a 1/2-inch arbor. And I'm gonna upgrade it to a 14-inch wheel. Should be here this Sunday. I'll make another video on that. So for right now on smooth surfaces, this is actually ideal. But if I wanted to go through some really thick sand, then I'd have to go and upgrade it to what I'm doing right now, doing the 14-inch wheel. But this is pretty much how it looks. And so basically, whenever I want to install this and mount it onto my kayak, it's really simple. All I have to do is just lift it up just like this and just set it on here just like that. And once I'm ready to lock it in place, I just take it and put it into these little insert tubes, push it slightly like that, and then I'm ready to go. Let me show you really quick. That's how fast it works. Just like that. And for instance, if I wanted to load the power center battery on here, which is really heavy, it's probably about 50 pounds or so, I will just put that on here. I have my trolling motor set up with the speed control right here. And I designed this thing to where the transom mount or the stern part, it won't get in the way whenever I take this piece right here and I mount it onto that back piece of that wood on that plate. So basically I just throw this over here like that, stick this on here and tighten it down. Just like that. So the great thing about this setup now is that I don't have to worry about taking everything off one at a time. I can actually just mount everything as if I'm ready to hit the water, and then I can just pick up everything and just wheel it out, just like this. It's really easy. So I will show you how this works as well. I have this Minn Kota power center, and so all I have to do is I have these connectors right here that go onto the negative and positive terminals. So whenever I'm ready to hit the water, I just connect it just like this, and then I just turn it on whenever I'm ready to go. So I don't know if you can see the trolling motor there in the back. That's the 5th speed. And basically what I usually do is I have these control pieces right here. They actually connect onto the back of this control, so this allows for me to turn. And usually I have this positioned this way, but I save more room whenever I have it this way. And this Minn Kota power center is really awesome because I can take something like this and just plug it into here, and I can actually charge up my iPhone or any kind of device that I want to charge up. If you want to check out this awesome Minn Kota power center, just check out the links down in the description below to find the best deals on these. And then I upgraded the wheels. Like I said before, they're supposed to come in Sunday. These are currently 7-inch wheels. I'm going to go install the 14-inch ones. Starting hopefully Sunday, I'll be able to install them. I'm going to give you a little walk around of the whole thing. The most important thing that I've done so far is I created this little PVC dolly, so it makes it easier to launch this kayak at the boat launch. So as you can see here, I can just push and pull it with ease. So this is my Minn Kota 3-pound thrust trolling motor attached to this transom mount with this metal piece here and this 2x4. And then I have this Minn Kota power center with this deep cycle battery. This is made by Everstart. And then I have some wires going from the trolling motor all the way up to the front, connected to this custom speed control. And then this is my steering. I'm gonna go to the right. This is the left, right, and the left. And then this is straight. So whenever I'm ready to launch this kayak, all I have to do is pull up on the transom mount and then push down on the kayak dolly. Just like this, and then push this out the way. So here's the dolly by itself, made out of 3/4 inch PVC pipe and some lawnmower wheels. I'm probably gonna upgrade the wheels to 14-inch wheels. These are 7-inch. And this is what it looks like when I wheel it around. And that's all there is to it. So I'm really happy with this setup. I just want to give you a quick little update on my new trolling motor setup. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.